she dresses in Armani. She wanna make me catch a body. You got me on a different level. Girl, you're somebody that's special.
YouTube, you already know what it is. It's your boy Kafo, and I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm back with another one, and today in this video, I'm gonna be doing my first story time. And in this story time, I'm gonna be telling how the first time I got arrested. I didn't quite go to jail, but like I got arrested. I regret every second, every moment. But I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just getting into the video. So we was downtown. It was me, three of my friends. I'm not gonna say no names. You know, I'm not a snitch. I'm not gonna say no name. Was coming out of Target. We just bought Nerf guns. Feel me? And I wanted the phone. And everybody else had a phone but me. Feel me? So I liked the phone. And we saw two boys, and we started following them. But we didn't want to make it look like we was following, so we dodging behind the cars. We dodging. And they finally stopped. My friends was across the street. I walked up there with the Nerf gun. I kept shooting him. And then I ran back to my friend. And then one of my friends, he was going to like take the phone and run. He's going to actually take the phone and run. But the boys like, he can't use the phone because I kept shooting him. And whatchamacallit. So we was walking up. So we was like, nah, we're not going to do it. And mind you, while we doing all this stuff, the precinct is right across the street. Literally, the precinct is right across the street. Precinct is literally right across the street from where we was doing it. We was downtown Brooklyn by by Atlantic Avenue, by the Berkeley Center. We was downtown by the Berkeley Center. I mean that precinct right there is like it's like up the block, like 2 blocks down. So we was going to the store. Like they was going to the store, and the boys was turning it around. Cause we was done talking to them, they was not. We trying to convince them to call the phone. They like nah. So he walking away. We walking away. I ran, grabbed his phone, was running in circles, and then my friends didn't know what happened. So they just started running with me, and we ran across the street, literally across the street to the train station. We ran across the street to the train station. Across the street into the train station. The train was coming in 2 minutes, and I guess a girl had saw it, and she called the cops. And the cops had came. We thought we was hyped. We was like, oh God. They're like, yo, my son Kyle got a new phone. I was like, yeah, it's lit. About to get on the train. About to get on a train. That's when the cops came. Pinned us up against the wall, started searching us. Found the phone. We was in the precinct downtown for like 10 hours. Hungry. And tell me this big lie. This big lie that whatchamacallit? What I was about to say? Tell me this big lie that the cop said. He said he's gonna get us some pizza. So we all live. He like, oh, the other cop coming. He's like, yo, have a time pizza. Like an hour later. He's like, yo, have a time pizza. He said, I lied. But they gave us a bag of chips. Feel me? And the moral of the story is, like, if you have, do not, like, if you're fortunate or not, do not go out stealing, taking other people's clothes, taking other people's objects, taking other people's stuff, because if you don't have a phone, then you don't have a phone. Feel me? You don't have to go and take other people's stuff. And if you're rolling with friends that wanna be criminals, stay away from them, cause that's just gonna put you in either two places, in the dirt or in jail. So basically, I just will never do it again. Just never. Make sure like, comment, subscribe. I said I was gonna get y'all with a vlog, but I didn't get to upload it because of something wrong. Something happened, so I didn't get a chance to upload it. What you about? Make sure you go subscribe to the bros channel. The link in the description. The link to the channel will be in the description down below. The channel is called Q&M Squad. They got about like 100 some subscribers. They doing big things. Flowgang, I'm out. Peace.
Gang, Gucci 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 gang.